Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing Blue Yeti X microphone. Now guys, I need to open this box. So let's go. Opening. This is not sharp. There you go. So let's see what is in here. Everything. Part of the microphone. Yeah, this is the double box. And the price on this, guys, is $169. So that is in Amazon Prime. So that is free shipping. So if you guys is interested in this mic, OMG, this is not easy. So there we go. Get this. So this is the one, guys. Yeah. So I need to. Let's go. Because they have another one here. The packaging is very nice. So this is the instruction. Oh, they have instruction on this, guys. That one. So we'll see. It's in there. And there we go. Yeah, this is very nice. The packaging is very nice, guys. So here we go. Oh, I see this one. This is the USB cord. This is cord, guys. So that is very good packaging. Very nice packaging. So this is what this look like. Wow. So this is, guys. So there you go. This is this look like. So that is the Blue Yeti X microphone. So this is very guys, this is nice. If they have the handle too, is very heavy. So this is very nice. They will not fall down or something. It's heavy. It's made of steel, I think. Yeah. So I think this is, I need to start to use this in my live stream. So we will see everything on this, and I will show you what is something in here, like the instruction. We need to have the instruction. If this one is different, it's an Samsung. They have warranty on this too. So it's the warranty. So that is done. Oh, here we go, guys. Yeah, the product features. This is the product features on this. Custom 4-capsule condenser array for greater focus and clarity. Yeah, high res lead array help you visualize your voice level. multifunction, smart knob controls, headphones, volume, mic, gain, blend, and mute. Blue voice, broadcast, vocal effects, including streamer and podcaster presets. Customizable lighting for personalizing your mic. Wow. So they have personalizing your mic for versatile pickup patterns. Omni, bidirectional, and stereo. So that is that, guys. They have dial on here. So this is dial on here too. So they have, sounds very nice. I need to try in this. Yeah, they called Blue Yeti X Professional. They have professional USB microphone. Oh, professional USB microphone for gaming, streaming, and podcasting. So this is, sounds very guys, very nice microphone. And I will let you know what is I need to review on this microphone. This is microphone 2020. They are making this 2020, this microphone. So I have I need to review on this, guys, in the next video. So what is the, what's everything in this video, in this microphone. So that is what I need to do next video. So this is very guys, but I feel that already it's not, it's heavy. So then they will be, you can do like this. So this is very handy. It's very handy. So that is, you can move. Yeah, you can move that. And they have this one, this is the pattern here. They have the yes, dial. And yes, I need to these, guys, review on this, and I will tell you this next video. And I have the, here's the microphone stand set. This is option, lots of option, guys, lots of option for microphone stand. And this is affordable. So how much we are paying, this is almost around $20 for this microphone stand set. So this is the, I need to read in this is 4 different adapters suit for barely every microphone on the market. An upgraded super tension spring divides extraordinary malleability. Solid aluminum materials ensures outstanding load capacity, and more accessories, durable and eco-friendly. So that is the they have inside on this. So lots of option we have. You can choose on the your mic stand. So here, guys, I need to have a review on this, the microphone and the microphone stand set. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing today, and thank you for watching. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next video. Thank you very much, guys.